Clear stainless steel engraved bitmap. Click on Import. Select the Import Graphics. Click to open. Select the import graphic. Click the left-hanging button to perform graphic processing. Firstly, adjust the brightness and contrast. Then select the processing option and choose the imitation color. First, click on the preview to view the online effect. You can adjust the contrast by make each point evenly distributed. Imitation color is suitable for most colored graphics. Click on the layer. Set the corresponding speed and power according to the material. The light output delay should be set to a negative value. Set according to the actual situation. Suggest setting negative 200 to 300. The remaining delays are set to 0. Check the bitmap dot mode. Click on the application. Click on Download. Click to process. Marking points on a graph is a process of covering one point at a time. The printed image is more accurate and clear.